Welcome to the English class by Izaz Ali, Assistant Teacher, Government High School, Pet Shurur. Let us learn the 10th lesson. There is a girl by the tracks by Deven Kanal. There is a girl by the tracks is the extract taken by the English journals. This is written by well-known writer Deven Kanal in English. In this lesson, there is a terrible accident and nobody dared to go where what youngster did. This prose is given under the unit compassion. Compassion is a divine quality and it is a virtue. The characters from the lesson: Roma Talreja, age 21 years old, height 5 feet 2 inches, weight 50 kilograms, and she is from Pune. Her qualification is BCom from Pune University. Occupation, it means her work. She is an call center executive working in Mumbai. Dress worn black salwar kameez. Brother's name Dinesh Talreja and her fiancé is Vijay. Now the second important character in this lesson is Baleshwar Mishra. His age is 20 years old and he is from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh. He looks like a lanky youngster. He had two brothers. His qualification, he is a high school dropout. And his occupation, he is still hunting for the job. He is an unemployed youth. He is searching work in Mumbai. Here, dear students, you can see the picture of the Mumbai Suburban Railway Station. Mumbai Suburban electric train was very rush. Commuters swarmed out and into 12 packed coaches. It's a regular scene in India's most populated metropolitan cities like Mumbai. Roma Talreja boarded the train and tried to settle into a corner near the door. She jammed between other women and suddenly got pushed. She fell by the side of the tracks. Another train was moving in opposite direction in which Baleshwar was traveling. Suddenly they cried, "There is a girl by the tracks." Baleshwar grabbed the train's red emergency chain and requested passengers to come to help her. But nobody volunteered because they fear getting trapped in the courts or with the police. Baleshwar jumped off the moving train to help her. After running for several minutes, he found her by the side of the tracks. He asked, "Bhenji, aap theek hain?" It means, "Sister, are you okay?" But there was no response. He saw a blood flowing behind her head. She was unconscious. Suddenly he lifted her and came beside the road. He requested motorists to help her, but no one stopped. After a long time, a tempo truck pulled over and its driver, a middle-aged man who spoke Gujarati, came there. He helped Baleshwar to take the girl to nearby hospital. On the way, a traffic policeman told them to take the girl to Airoli. But Baleshwar disagreed because Airoli is at least 10 kilometers away. 10 minutes later, they arrived at a small hospital. They gave first aid only because in that hospital there were lack of personnel and equipment. On-duty physician advised to go to nearby hospital. When the vehicle moved forward, Roma stirred and opened her eyes. Suddenly Baleshwar asked, "What's your name? And whom can I call?" Roma told her name and her brother Dinesh phone number. Baleshwar memorized it. Baleshwar called her brother and informed about the accident. Dinesh had a marketing job at a retail shop in Ulhasnagar and agreed to come to the hospital. Roma arrived at Divine Multi-Speciality Hospital and Research Center. Dr. Anil Agrawal, seeing the serious condition of Roma's injuries, admitted her immediately to the ICU without any paperwork. Baleshwar has to wait until Roma's family arrived. In a few days, Roma made a full recovery. "I can't imagine what would have happened if Baleshwar had not been there," said Roma. Baleshwar told that "That day it was Roma, tomorrow it could be you or me by the tracks bleeding alone." Now let us glance at the Homophones. Homophones are the two or more words that sound the same. It means identical pronunciation but have different meanings. Homo means same, phone means sound. So homophones means the words with the same sound but different in meaning. Here are some examples for you. Two, TWO and TO. One, ONE1, WON1. Like this, we call them homophones. Here we can see in the homophones in sentences. Nowadays, bus fare has been raised. Here the homophone is fare. FARE means bus fare, and another fare FAIR. Like this we can see many sentences. The second sentence is, she is a fair looking lady. The second example, he is walking with bare foot. It is too sensitive to bear. In that film, caste is not good. Caste. Abdicate caste system. Eradicate caste system. She has a very good eyesight. Sight. Here you can observe sight, SITE and SIGST, sight. I bought sight in Muskie. This road leads to Mysore. Road, RODE, ROAD. Like this we can see many homophones. And a small slip work for you. Some words are underlined or italicized. Write the opposites for the same in the space provided. Now here are some examples to complete with the opposite words. You have to fill the blank with the opposite of the underlined word given in a sentence. See, here we have 10 sentences, and in each sentence we have underlined a word. You have to fill in the blank with the opposite of the underlined word. One example I will do it for you. Mahatma Gandhi road is broad, but Avenue Road is narrow. The answer is narrow. Like this you have to do the homework. The answers for those questions of opposites. First one is narrow, second one is weak, third one incorrect, fourth one conflict. Conflict means kannadadalli sangharsha anta kariತೀವಿ. Fifth one is fat, sixth one is timid, seventh false, eighth bottom, ninth slow, 10th lazy. Another homework for you. Question number 1. I dash in Ramanagara for 10 years. You have to fill the blank with the correct word. Two words are given in the brackets. You have to choose the correct word and fill in the blank. Here homophones are given. Do it soon. Thank you. This is the end of the lesson. Thank you for seeing this lesson. Thanks a lot.